Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. And I decided to do this the same way I did my Ipsy this month, and I have already opened this, so we're going to go ahead and try on all the products that are in here and do it like a little try on style. So that's why my makeup looks kind of funny, because it's like partially done right now. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right into this. The theme this month is called Galaxy Glow. And the first thing in here that we're going to use is by Cover FX. Looks like this, and it's called a Shimmer Veil. It's in the shade, does it have a shade name? Amethyst, which ironically is my birthstone, so that's cool. It's really pretty. It looks like this. It's called, or it's not called, it is a multi-use shimmering cream, and it's crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. So we're going to use it on the eye today, just because I honestly don't know where else I would put this color. So we'll just go ahead and put that on. I've never used cream products on my eyes before, so this is definitely something new to me. Looks like this. I don't even know like how much to apply. Let's just buff that out with the finger. I'm sorry if you can hear people being obnoxious in the background, but my neighbors are outside, so they're being really loud. Okay, that's actually really pretty. I kind of got it in my crease a little bit, which I didn't want to, so we are going to fix that a little bit. With the Candy Johnson Too Faced palette, I'm just going to pick up some more of this shade called Taupe Berry and the shade Raspberry Cocoa, because that's what I have in my crease right now. We're going to mix that together and pop a little more in the crease just to fix what we just messed up. Somehow I managed to do it on both eyes, so at least it messed up the same. Okay. That's not terrible. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and we're going to pick up the shade Hot Cocoa and mix it with a little more of Taupe Berry and put that in the outer corner just to finish up the top of my eye. We're going to pick up more Taupe Berry than hot chocolate, but just a little like splash of hot chocolate to darken it up. I'm going to put that in the outer half just to kind of smoke out that look. Okay. Same over here. This is a pretty easy eye look right now because we are going to do something a little bit more intense with another product in here, which is what we're going to talk about next. So this is also something I've never done before, but this is by Bella Pierre, and it's this really pretty purple glitter in the shade Cosmic Purple. I feel like there's definitely a purple theme in this month's box. But yeah, so we're going to take an angled brush, or actually we're going to take this little flat brush. This is just like a Supernatural brush that came in a Supernatural palette. I feel like I need to move this up a little bit. Maybe not. Okay, that's better a little bit. And we're going to take some, actually first, be right back. Okay, so I was going to do a glitter liner, but I think I changed my mind and I kind of like this look that I've got, so I'm going to put some of this glitter in the inner corner. So I did go ahead and put down NYX glitter glue, and we're just going to pick some of this up out of the cap on the same brush and just pop that in the inner corner. It's kind of pretty. This isn't something I've ever done before either, so I don't really know if I'm going to like the way this looks, but we're going to find out. It's kind of hard to like blend, but I'm just kind of trying to blend it into what I've already got going on the eye. So yeah, this glitter is not wanting to move very well. That's okay. We'll make it work. I kind of actually like that. I didn't think I would because it's kind of weird, but I kind of like it. My makeup's probably going to look a little crazy today, which is unfortunate because I'm taking my boyfriend out for his birthday tonight, so sorry about it. Next, let's go ahead and do the next product. I'm just closing everything up over here, sorry. Next product in here is an eyeliner by the brand Vintage by Jessica Lebinskin. I have no idea who she is. It's a pencil eyeliner, which I'm not crazy about, but that's alright. We're just going to pop this in the waterline. Okay, it's a little, like, tickly, if you know what I mean. Like, it kind of makes my eye want to water. But it is going on nicely. It's very black. Okay. I don't hate it. Don't hate it. Don't really like it either, but I don't hate it, so that's good. My wing is a little crazy, you guys. Oh, I should probably tell you guys how much these cost. The Cover FX veil is $28. The Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil is $21. The glitter is $15. So there's that. Now let's go ahead and move on. I'm going to finish up the eyes real quick. Just pop on some mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Just pop that on real quick. I feel like I need a brow bone highlight, but I also kind of want to not put one on. I don't know. This glitter is crazy, you guys. I'm definitely going to have to do a little fixing of this off camera, but this is just kind of testing the product, so it's not going to be like anything too serious about like a real look or anything. It's just kind of okay. Drop mascara. This is just kind of showing you how the products look and how they work. Okay, so moving on to the next product. This is a 3-piece brush set by Crown Brushes. I do really like Crown Brushes, and we've had them in several boxes before. It comes with it's supposed to be a contour kit brush set, basically. It says the medium brush, which is this little guy right here, can be used to sculpt the cheekbones. Okay, so this is supposed to be a contour brush. The smaller brush is to highlight under the eyes. I probably won't use it for that. I'll probably use this for maybe highlight. We might try this for highlight today. And then the big one is for powder, which I already did. So messed up that, but I'll probably use this for bronzer. So just so we can try these out. So let's go ahead and contour first. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, which is what I always use. I use the lightest shade right there. We're just going to dip into that a couple times. Let's see how this works. Okay. Not bad, not bad. It feels really nice, really fluffy. They're really pretty. They kind of remind me of the Wet n Wild brushes. I have any in here? Yeah, okay. Like this one. This is a Wet n Wild brush. Does it not look exactly the same to you? Like, honestly. And these the set of 3 was $29. Even the tips of them are the same. They're like the pink tips, so a little suspicious there, but that's alright. I'm setting at such a weird angle right now, but you do what you gotta do, I guess. I actually really do like this brush, so maybe not for contour, but it's a nice brush. I don't know. I get like set in my ways with brushes. Like, I love to try new makeup, but I feel like brushes, I get really like attached to certain brushes for certain things, so it's always hard for me to like use a different brush for something that I have a brush that's like, this is the brush. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but that's just how it goes with me, I guess. We're gonna do a little nose contour with this. My nose contour is never like super precise, so a fluffy brush like this is fine for that. Okay. There's that. Next, let's go ahead and bronze. You guys, this is an upsetting day. My favorite bronzer completely shattered, so I'm very upset about that. we're not going to talk about it. I'm just going to use this brush and not cry. Okay. Ooh, I like this one better. Ooh, I like this brush. Okay. It's very fluffy, very soft. It's given a nice payoff of color. I like this one. I like this one better than the other one, I think. The other one was good too, I don't know about for contour. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Okay. Might be a new favorite bronzer brush, you guys. So, next and the last product in here is by Naked Cosmetics. It's this really pretty holographic packaging, and this is a highlighter palette, obviously. So there are 6 colors in here. They're all really pretty holographic. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of over the holographic trend, but we got a palette to play with, so. I think I'm gonna start by taking a little bit of this purple on an eyeshadow brush. We'll use this Wet n Wild one, and I'm gonna put that on top of the glitter in the inner corner, just to kind of calm it down a little bit, I guess. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. I feel like it didn't really calm it down. It just kind of drew more attention to it, but that's alright. Okay. And then we'll also put that on the brow bone. Does that do like anything? Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. I don't hate this. I don't hate it. Alright. Now taking that brush that we're going to play with for not contour, highlight. This is not the right one. Where is it? Did I lose the brush? I think I lost. Oh, I found it. It's right here. Okay, so we're going to pick up this pink shade just because I feel like it's the most wearable in here on this brush. And we're going to put that on the cheeks and see how it looks. Okay. It's not doing much, but it's definitely doing something. I don't know. Oh, okay. If you like catch it in the light right there, then you can see it for sure. It's really pink. I'm not a fan, you guys. It's pretty for like different makeup looks, but I don't know. I'm just not a fan of that, but that's okay. I'm gonna take actually and cover it up because I don't really like it. I'm gonna take this palette and I'm gonna pick up the shade Whipped Cream. Just using the same brush, just so we can test this brush out a little more, because I know I like this highlight. And let's see. Okay, yep, there we go. So it is a nice brush for highlight. That's really pretty. It's just, I don't really like this color. I'll go ahead and swatch those 6 for you, just so you can see what they look like. Actually, mixed in with whipped cream, it's kind of pretty. It's definitely more wearable that way. Okay. Now, just to swatch these shades, that's the carton. We've got, do these have names? No, they don't have names. So the more pinky one looks like that. They're very chalky. Purple. That's the one that's on my eyes. I do like it on the eyes, so maybe for that reasoning it's a nice palette. This green one. The green one's really cool. Yeah, I like the green one. Ooh, I actually do really like the green one. The blue. The blue's pretty too, but it's very, very chalky. And this like yellowy color. Okay, so they're very chalky, but they're still kind of pretty. Definitely, I don't really like it on the face, but maybe on the eyes. I do like the purple on the eyes right there. But yeah, okay. And this retails for $39.99. That's a little ridiculous. Okay, so overall, this wasn't my favorite Boxycharm, I'm not gonna lie. This was a cool gift, I guess. Not really a gift, but a cool item. I don't know, but I don't really love it. I do really like the brushes, and I do really like this. I'm not crazy about the glitter. I feel like it's really hard to blend and just kind of like clumps like as soon as you put it on the primer, but that's okay. And I don't really care for the eyeliner. Is that everything we got in here? Brushes, eyeliner, glitter. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you guys have to let me know down below if you got anything different than I did. I doubt it, but maybe, you never know. And if you liked your box this month, and if you guys want to see any of these products in a future video. That's all I have for you guys today. Bye guys.